The Ministry of Education has hinted that schools at every level in every educational district across Guyana could be fully reopened after the Easter break in April with no rotations and online engagement. In this regard, the Health Minister, Dr. Frank Anthony, during Wednesday's COVID-19 update, has advised parents and guardians to ensure that their children are protected through vaccination before returning to the physical classrooms.
So I would urge parents that before school reopens, that they bring their child or children to one of the vaccination sites where we can administer the vaccine to them.
Vaccines are currently available for children between the ages of 12 to 17. However, the uptake in accessing the jab has been significantly slow. For those parents who are still hesitant in allowing their children to be vaxxed, the health minister urged that they recognize the importance of this decision in keeping their children safe. Minister Anthony reiterated his calls for parents to sign the consent forms that would allow students to access the jab.
And in a lot of instances, while we would have had campaigns at schools and so forth, we are not able to vaccinate a lot of children because they did not get permission from their parents.
Since the commencement of the Pfizer vaccination campaign for the 12 to 17 cohort, the Health Ministry has been exploring ways to motivate participation. Early in the month, a 3-day vaccination hesitancy workshop to tackle and address this issue was initiated. About a month ago, the World Health Organization had given emergency use authorization for the administration of the Pfizer vaccine for children aged 5 to 11, and the Ministry of Health announced that it will soon roll out a campaign among that age cohort after procuring the special COVID-19 vaccines for that category of children. The minister, however, recently announced that the health authorities have not yet been successful at procuring the vaccines, but stated that whether or not the vaccines arrive in Guyana before that time, schools can be reopened. Since the arrival of the pandemic in Guyana in March 2020, over 7,000 children have been tested positive for the virus and at least 17 succumbed. Reporting for DGP Nightly News, Joel Vogt.